Let's get right into the tutorial. Open the Snapchat application on your device first. Tap on your Bitmoji from the top left of your screen and then tap on the settings button from the top right of your screen. Scroll down and you will see various options there. Find the support section. Under support, tap on I need help. In the search bar, search for My Eyes Only. You will be led to a variety of options. You can see I have 54 results for My Eyes Only. Scroll down and search for I lost my snaps that I have saved to My Eyes Only. You will see the Was this article helpful option. Tap on the cross symbol. Now under What did you find unhelpful about this article? Tap on the article Didn't answer my question or solve my problem option and click on Submit. You will now see the Contact Us button. Tap on that. Now under What can we help you with option, tap on I need help with the Snapchat feature. You will be led to further question regarding what feature is this related to. Tap on Memories. Now under What do you need help with option, tap on My Eyes Only. Scroll down and fill in the required field below by entering your username, your email address, and describe your problem. While describing your problem, be sure to be descriptive and elaborative about your problem for quicker responses. You can also simply copy whatever I have written in my description. Tap on the Submit button now. Verify you are a human, and with this, your request has been successfully submitted. Snapchat will contact you at the soonest possible to help you with your issue. If you find this tutorial helpful, do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for staying with us until the end.